In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Little Nightmares 3 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and after that we will quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game. So quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there. Search up the game Little Nightmares 3 and select the game. After that, scroll a little bit down and you will find out there is a free trial available, but we would like to download the full game. The price on Steam is €39.99, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage, and here we are going to search for the same game, Little Nightmares 3. Now as you can see, once we have searched for the game, we can select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Here you will find different options. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you will find a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Now after that you can select the game and open the game page, and then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €28.46 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.